My name is Haley and I'm the Children's Specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library. Thanks for joining me today for our special Valentine's Day craft. We're making love bug cards. They're super cute. Let's get started. For this craft, you will need 1 folded paper card, 4 big strips of colored paper, 2 small strips of colored paper, 1 heart, 2 white circles, glue, scissors, and markers. First step is to glue the 4 strips of colored paper across the folded card. Make sure to leave some room up top for your love bug's head. And I like to alternate the patterns here, so gonna do one, it's okay if they go off the edge. You can either wrap it around or you can chop it off after you're done. Two, three, and 4. All right, I'm going to trim these edges now. Careful not to cut your card, especially if these are on the folded side. All right, all chopped off. Once you've done that, then we're going to cut out the 2 white circles here. So these will make your love bug card's eyes. So chop these out. Oops. All right. Once you've done that, then you're going to draw your love bug's eyes on. So I'm going to do little hearts here. Draw that and then color it in. So, got 1 heart done, and then the second. If you have some googly eyes at home, you can use those too, or you can draw normal circles here. I'm going to draw hearts because this is a Valentine, so I want there to be lots of hearts. All right, once you've done that, you're not going to glue it down yet. You're going to cut out your bug's head first. So you can keep it this way if you'd like. I'm going to cut out a half circle here. So I'm going to start up here. And love bugs are pretty silly, so if you mess up cutting, it's okay. There's no right way to make a love bug. Once you've done that, you've cut off the top, then it's time to glue the eyes down. So make a little section for the eyes. Got 1, and then 2. Oops. There we go. Got the eyes down. And then you're gonna glue the antenna on to the back. So you can either glue it onto the very back of the card, so when they open the card, the antenna are still there, or to the back of the front page, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna flip this open, add some glue, and then tape them or glue them down. All right. Make sure those are pretty secure. We've glued them down. There is your love bug. So I'm going to draw a little smile. That yellow one doesn't work. Let's see if this one does. Yep. And draw a little yellow smile there. And add some pink cheeks. And then you're going to glue down your heart. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can glue down your heart. I'm going to put it right here in the corner. Like that. You can pick the red side or the pink side, whatever you'd like. I like it hanging off the card just a bit. And there you go. There's your love bug card. Now remember to write a special Valentine's Day note in here and give it to someone special. Nice job. I hope you had lots of fun making this love bug card. It turned out super, super cute. Make sure to write a note inside and pass it to someone special this Valentine's Day. Hit subscribe here on YouTube and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for more craft ideas. I'll see you next time and happy Valentine's Day. Bye!